we're getting ready to start a whole new program called So Fresh Tuesday. Kind of fun, but what I want to do is spend the most fun time in the store for me is early in the morning before customers come in as staff is getting ready and talk about our new products on the Bolt. So sometimes we get missed, we get so excited about kits and everything, but I really want to talk about some of the fabrics. So I'm going to start today with a bunch of Widebacks that I just brought in this morning. So if you come around the corner here, we're kind of known for Widebacks. I love Widebacks because we have the long arm rental program. So we love when we have all of the Widebacks. We have over 500. In the past, I've had over 600. I'm working towards 600 again, but I'm buying as fast as I can, which is kind of fun. But let me show you a bunch that we just got in here. So I love a QT Widebacks as well. And right now we're doing this wonderful Wicked kit. So let me go ahead and show you just real quick a glance at this 108 green. This is spotsy green, dark green. It has a molded background. I absolutely love it. It is, I will have to get the price over here. Let me look real quick because I just printed fresh tags. This is $18.96 a yard over here. So $18.96 a yard. Along with that, we have this Aura Wideback because I brought this in again because we're selling lots of Wicked kits. And I have this paired underneath the Wicked kit so you can see products. This one I think would be fantabulous on the back of that Wicked kit. But if green is not your color, we got you covered because we have this beautiful pink. And the reason I like this is got a little bit of orange and yellow because of the yellow brick road with that Wicked kit. But even at that, I think this would be a fun, bright quilt on a beautiful pastel quilt or something kind of fun. I think this is just I love this Wideback. I think it's beautiful. All right, we're gonna keep moving this around. We have a very good neutral here with Vertex. So if you want something just a little bit soft, but yet not, neutrally. Love this brown right here, a cream brown. So this is also $18.96 a yard. We have Spotsy for another fabulous Wicked kit or a fun pink kit right here. So here's the Spotsy in the pink. We have, for my bright people, look at this abstract. I absolutely love this one. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. I even think this might still even be fun on the Wicked kit, even though it has blue in it, but I think it'd be fun. All right. And then one of our best sellers, because we love steampunk here, but this guy right here, our gears, isn't that fabulous? I love how the gears have depth to them. We have some stuff in the background. So again, this is 108 inches wide. Now, granted, being 108 inches wide, you got to remember that if you pre-wash your fabric, it might shrink 3 to 5%. So you got to remember that to buy extra. Again, perfect. Love it. Now let's move on to some Javs Tex fabric. All of these are a little bit kind of the same. I'm going to lay them out right here and have the camera kind of roll along here so you guys can see the fabrics. And I'm going to move them around in some colors here. So all of these are a beautiful paisley. These are $20.96 a yard for 108 inches wide. So the thing about the paisley, this is white on white right here. So let me get the shadows out of the way. This one is white on white. So I love the paisley detail. This gray is beautiful. This fabric is soft. They're calling this Paisley Jane. Paisley Jane. So we have the whole line of this one. So it's fabulous. So let's move on to one of our newest fabrics that is 42 inches wide. So all of our collections are in these beautiful aisles right here. So I'm I'm going to start with this fun one right here. This here is from Robert Kaufman, Calixa. So much fun. I'm going to show this a little bit with a couple of these at a time here so we don't spend too long here, but this is kind of fun. Look at the leaves right here. I have another leaf one. Let me pull that out for you. And another leaf one. I'm going to pull it out for you. So we have the purple and the orange. We have this other great neutral right here, or kind of like I'd say more a little bit more blendery, but that's more some little flowers and leaves. Ooh, I missed one here. All right, there's some more leaves. I forgot the green one, and there's the blue. First of all, oh, gosh, I wish I was stronger. I love, if you are somebody who collects the salvages, look at these fun salvages here. These are going to make a fabulous salvage quilt. So use every part of the fabric. All right, now we're going to get into some fun fabrics, and I'm going to bring out a whole bunch of these at one time here. Isn't that one beautiful? So rich. These guys also have a panel with them, the Calixa panel, which we'll walk over and see that here in just a second. The bright, beautiful flowers are just so much fun. I'm going to help my staff by putting back. Usually, I leave everything, and I feel kind of bad for my staff, so I'm going to be good to them today. I love the greens in this one right here, and the teals. It is very rich. And here's that same kind of fabric with more of a gray background. And I love how we have a little bit of this pink peachy kind of coming through. But this detail right here. Let me get a little bit closer for you. You can see the details in the mandalas that are absolutely stunning. And this fabric has great depth. Just a couple more real quick here. Love those big, beautiful red medallions. So much fun. Look at this one right here with all the swirlies. Can't get any more perfect than that. A little bit more muted, but still fun with the oranges. We have the beautiful blues. Again, oh goodness, I love, love, love. I love this. Here is that other more densely fabric with those great mandalas that I showed earlier. And there it is in the green. Look at all these colors. This line is huge, you guys. Super fabulous. Look at that beautiful one with that black, dark, say dark gray. It's not black, so it's going to be a dark gray background. Love the selvage. There it is in pink with the blues. And one last one here. Super yummy. Oh, goodness gracious. If you don't love the purpley, pinky, oh, this is just beautiful. I love that one. All right. So right here, Calixa from Robert Kaufman. It is $14.96 a yard, and we do have a panel with it. Let's see. It is not hanging up at the moment. We're going to walk back in just a second. Because before we move, I want to talk about a line that we're going to be putting on sale for just a short time for 25% off. And it's going to be Andover, this beautiful pink fabric. It is called Tangent. So if you love pink and grays, this is definitely for you. This beautiful neutral right here. But this is what makes this line so beautiful right here. We have this dark gray linear with this little bit of pink right here. Love it. But when you put it with some of this other dark with the pink, it's fabulous. So this is called Tangent. Here's just a dark with a cream. And all of this is going to be 25% off. So it's normally $14.96. And for a week, it's going to be, for 2 weeks, it's going to be 25% off. So for 2 weeks from today, which by the way, January 21st, uber cold here in Nebraska. That's why I'm wearing my heated jacket, because it was minus 21 with the wind chill coming into work this morning. So there's that beautiful mandala on the dark gray. Now, here is the mandala also on a light gray. So there's that. I'm going to talk about that dark gray with the linear and the little bit of pink on there. Here it is in cream and a little bit lighter gray. So much fun. And then let's see here. Let me keep track of what I'm doing. Trying to grab a couple of the same all the time here. Here's another of the mandalas back on with the pink on cream. I like this one with the pink, the light gray with the pink in the middle. And look at this, cute little hearts. They look like flower hearts a little bit. Maybe mushrooms, I don't know. We could call it whatever it is. They're calling it a fan. And then these fun fabrics. I love this geometric right here. Again, I think it adds a lot of depth to it with that light gray right in here. That is just so much fun. And then the leaves right here in light gray. And then we have the trifecta triangle perfection. Look at this right here. All of these triangles. We have the light gray, dark gray, and cream. So again, this is Andover. It is called Tangent. And from January 21st, it will be on sale for 2 weeks at 25% off. So those are some fun things. With Calixa, take a walk with me. This is where gets to be fun. This video is going to be fun and a little bit spur of the moment. How's that sound? So right over here, we have our panels. So let me show you that Calixa panel. Here is that soft gray. So if you wanted to do something fun, find a pattern that had a panel in the middle here, and then put some of that beautiful fabric around it. This would be amazing. I'm gonna have the ladies fix this. This hanger is not a very good one, so we're gonna fix it. And then we have this darker background panel. So the panels are $10.99, and it's a 24 by 42 inch panel, or 44, but we always just give a little bit more grace on 42 wide. Some people are, it's kind of crazy how it differs from manufacturer to manufacturer sometimes. But again, all we need to do with this is we're going to put some links down below for you to go directly to these products that we're showing. Tune in once a week to see all of our new and fun fabrics that are, better put it up on the rack the right way. Come and watch So Fresh Tuesdays, because I think it'll be kind of fun to spend some time with me, my most favorite time of the store, because it's ramping up for getting you ready for all of our customers. We'll see how many come in today with it being minus 21, but you know, Nebraskans are nice and hardy, And also too, we can shop online at fabricbash.com. Do a like and subscribe, please, and share this if you could. That helps us greatly get more fun fabrics in so you guys can have more quilty fun. Take care.